morning, children. Class 3 children, pay attention. Now, this is your general knowledge, GK. Yes, class 3, general knowledge. You should have this GK reader. Yes, now we begin with a new lesson. Come to page number 5, all kinds of animals. Now I'll start reading. Yes, class 3, A and B, both of you pay attention and come to page number 5, all kinds of animals. Here are some amazing animals from around the world. Can you name them? Choose your answer from the help box. Now this is your help box. Now let us start the reading. Number 1. Largest land animal on earth. It is known for its large ears and tusk. African elephant. Now here is the picture of the elephant. It has got large ears and this is its tusk. So you are going to write down African elephant. Choose the correct answer from the help box. So African elephant. Number 2. This creature unfurls the pleated skin flap that encircles its head and hisses to give its attacker a fright. This is frilled lizard. Frilled lizard. So here is the spelling and the answer. Frilled lizard. It's a kind of a lizard. Elephant also you all have seen, but African elephants are different. Yes. Now here you have not seen this frilled lizard. You find them in all other places in big thick jungles. Yes. Now this is a frilled lizard. Frilled means it will have a frilly kind things. All frill. So it is known as the frilled lizard. Number 3. Its white or blue-grey coat helps it survive the very cold Arctic winter. In summer, the color of its coat changes to brown or grey. Now in Arctic region, it's very cold over there. Yes, so this Arctic fox stays over there. Here you find all snow over here. It's a white kind of a fox and it changes its color from brown to grey. Arctic fox. Now you find them over there. It's white and blue grey. And when it's summer, the color of its coats will change to brown or grey. This is Arctic fox. Here the spelling is Arctic fox. Number 4. Named after its distinct shape. Distinct means a different kind of a shape, a unique kind of a shape. This marine animal is actually not a fish. Now marine means the one who they stay in the water is called as marine animals. And what is this? This is a starfish. Here you see it's a kind of a star in the shape of a star. So it is called starfish. Named after its distinct shape. Means distinct shape means a peculiar kind of shape, a unique kind of shape. This marine animal is actually not a fish, it is a starfish. Actually it is not a fish, but it has got the name starfish. This colorful bird belongs to the parrot family. It catches the eye with its beautiful color and large strong beak. Now what does it say? This colorful bird, it belongs to the parrot family. Now it looks like a parrot, but it is not a parrot. It belongs to the parrot family. Parrot के जैसे नहीं लगता है, but it belongs to the parrot family and it catches the eye with its beautiful color. It is very attractive, so it catches our eyes, very colorful. Yes, and large strong beak. Here this is the beak and it is large and strong. So what do we call this bird? We call this bird a macaw. Here this is macaw. Yes, it's a kind of a bird, but it does not belong to the colorful bird, belongs to the bird family, parrot family, sorry. It belongs to the parrot family and it is very attractive and beautiful. And it is called macaw. So now children, you have to read this and you have to learn this. This is as your homework. Yes. Now after writing, just don't leave it, because different kind of question can come. Yes. So like I may put up a question. Name the largest animal on earth. So you have to answer African elephant. It can be in one word also. It can be framed in question form also. Yes. Now name the distinct shape of a fish, and actually it is not a fish. So in any form your question can be framed. Then you have to answer starfish. Now I will put up a question. It's a colorful bird and it belongs to the parrot family. Not necessary I will frame up a long question, just a small question based on this topic. So you have to write down macaw. Yes. Now I want you to be thorough with your learning work, children. Yes, it says here I have written over here homework learn. After writing this, you have to complete all your learning work. Don't leave it as it is. If you learn this very well and if you know this, you will be able to answer any question if I frame according to these sentences. Yes, children? So see that you have your this GK reader with you. Okay? And read all this. It says two ways in which the Asian elephant is different from the African elephant. Whatever is on this page, I want you to read it. What do teddy bears do when it rains? It's a very tricky question and very simple. They get wet. Simple. Either you can form it in a GK way or any way, general knowledge or a quiz form. So it gets wet. Why do hummingbirds hum? You put up a question, you will wonder why. Birds hum only, na? It is because they have no words with them to speak. Yes? So they hum. Now, the armadillo's back, head, legs, and tail are covered with bony plates. Interestingly, in Spain, armadillo means the armored one. Any guesses why? Because you see, they are what does it say? With the bony plates. In the field, when they go to fight, they put all this. The chest is covered with thick armor. So that is why they have written. Any guesses? Okay, it means this. So I want you to read the full lesson very well and hardly. There are 5 sentences to learn as your homework. So you learn it. Okay. Children, this is enough for now, and see that you have your GK reader with you.